What are you doing, little buddy? Look, are you using your brother as a dining room table? Well, of course, that's what brothers are for. I'm eating my nut. I'm eating my nuts diligently. I love pecans. Where's brother number 3? Well, I think he's outside the cubicle. Let's go see. Okay, let's go see. Where is he? There he is. Hello, little buddy. Look at you. You're eating happily, happily. Look at that little brother. Everybody's having a nut. Is your brother eating or is he sleeping? Let's look. What are you doing there, little brother? What are you doing? Are you eating too? Are you trying to sleep? Are you trying to sleep? He fell asleep. He got a tummy full of milkos. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh, he's trying to sleep while his brother's eating. Oh. Okay, let's go put you to bed.